Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and today in this tutorial we'll get to know how to convert all the text from entire document, no matter what is the page size. With a simple technique, you will be able to do it with few clicks. So let's begin with the CorelDRAW. Now as you can see, I have a document of 3 pages, page number 1, which is having a paragraph text, artistic text, text inside the power clip, and a group text. I have grouped this, and also we have shapes over here. So currently it is not curved, it is just a normal shape, right? So now on a single click we can convert all the objects and text into curves. For that we need to go to tools, scripts. Inside the script says run script. Now with the help of scripts I have to just click on the run script, and now I have to define which script I need to run. So we have a ready-made script which is called convert all to curves. So it is there by default. When you click over here, it will ask you to run. Just click on the run. Now a small window will appear, something like this. It will ask you want to convert text, shapes. You can check whatever is the requirement over here. How many number of pages you want to convert, you can define that. I want all 3 pages. And you want to convert to a group or group and power clip. So I'll keep it both because I have both. I have group also, I have power clip as well. So I'll keep it group and power clip. So let me, before converting it to curve, let me show you it is a text or not. So as you can see, it is a text. I can easily edit it. This is again a text. I can edit it in the same manner. This is also a text. I need to ungroup it before. Yeah, as you can see, I clicked and I can easily edit it, right? So let me put it back to a group. So I'll select them together and I'll make a group of it, right? And it is a power clip. I can easily edit it as per the requirement. And now third is shapes, as I've shown you earlier also. I'll just click on the convert to curve. When I click on this option, automatically all the objects will get converted to curves. Now let me check. Go back to page number 1. Now this is a text, not a text, sorry, it is a curve. Now this is again not a text, it is a curve, right? Curve again. Go back to page number 2. This is not a text. I cannot click and type anything. Can you see? I cannot edit this. And if I edit this as well, this is also not a text. I cannot edit this now. And now we go to page number 3. This is a curve, and a curve, right? So very easily with a single click we can convert our all the documents to curves, no matter it is a group, power clip or shape. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.